Well, we have breaking news as of moments ago. Uber and Lyft drivers were just approved to now get minimum pay. So we're gonna start and dive into that. But before I do, I want to tell you guys about an incredible opportunity to start making money right now, right here on YouTube, by creating a faceless YouTube channel. It's something that I've been doing for over 5 years. It's how I was able to, change my life, buy this house in Southern California, get out of debt, and just, change my life. I've been able to make over 10 grand a month doing this method. It's the Faceless YouTube channel method. I'm now teaching people how to do it. I have a link below where you can sign up and join. But this was last year. I just want to show 2023. I brought in over $10,000 per month, over $1,000 in a day sometimes. This is all using the Faceless channel method. This is one of my pages this year so far, and in some days bringing over $1,000, $2,000 in a day, or in my monthly, you can see $30,000, $20,000, $13,000, $10,000 So click the link below if you want to learn how to do it. I think anybody can, and I think Uber and Lyft drivers especially are very qualified because you are already an entrepreneur in a way, so you understand the way of business operates and works. But I think just applying it in a different field is a little bit better than doing Uber and Lyft. Anyways, click the link below. There's a 30-day free trial right now, so you can try it out, get access to everything, and if you don't like it, you can cancel. But hope you stay because I think you'll like it. All right, it could change your life. Minnesota legislature approves minimum pay for Uber and Lyft drivers. So now in Minnesota, Uber and Lyft drivers are getting a massive pay bump by actually now getting minimum pay because, a study came out and said that Uber and Lyft drivers only make around $6 per hour on average after expenses when you take into account gas, wear and tear on your car, car depreciation and all that. So drivers, on average, you're making around $5 an hour, $6 an hour. If you're good, if you're in the middle. There's a lot of drivers who are actually in the negative. They don't realize it, that driving a car is super, super expensive, super costly, not to mention the depreciation of your asset. If you're driving a $30,000 car for Uber, $40,000 car for Uber, after a couple of years, it's, the price of that car is probably going to be worth more like $6,000 to $7,000. Okay, and the people who are probably profiting the most are probably driving super old used cars. But listen to this, there's a deal that was reached that will prevent the companies from leaving Minneapolis on July 1st. Uber and Lyft are stuck, all right? Uber and Lyft got absolutely screwed in this deal. Legislators approved a last-minute deal to set minimum pay standards for Uber and Lyft drivers that will prevent the companies from leaving parts of the state on July 1st. This is actually a very interesting thing that I think should have happened in California. The House and Senate passed the deal Sunday before a midnight deadline. Uber spokesman Josh Gold said in an email, "While the coming price increases may hurt riders and drivers alike, we will be able to continue to operate across the state under the compromise brokered by the governor." They're like, yeah, we have to pay drivers more. It's going to hurt them. It's going to hurt the drivers more. Drivers should get paid less so they can get more $3 rides. That's exactly what drivers need. What a joke. So if you're in Minnesota, massive, massive news. You will be getting more pay, but according to Uber, it's not good for you. Explain that one to me. Riddle me that. So anyways, check out the link below to the Faceless YouTube channel. And again, this is just an easy way that I've been able to make over $10,000 per month. One of my side hustles. I have a bunch of side hustles, but doing YouTube Faceless channels, this is just so far this year. I'm trying to really show you some of my, what is this? This is the last 90 days. I've brought in $16,000. Some days making over, $1,000. So check out the link below. I'll walk you through it. Once you sign up, guys, once you join the 30-day free trial, go to log in, then go to my programs, then click on view programs, go to the YouTube channel method, watch it. It's like a 45-minute, maybe even longer. It might be a 50-minute video. Breaks it all down. Then go into the group, and in the group right now, there's a thread with a bunch of different channel topics. And I recommend choosing 2 to 3 different channel topics, and then that way we can hone in on one for you. Then once you start it, we're gonna help engage and help, hopefully try to help you get monetized quickly, and then so you can start making money. So anyways, check that link out below, grab your 30-day free trial. Otherwise, I'll talk to you soon. Oh, and we also have a free email list you can join as well for other updates and ways to make more money. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk soon.